Okay, I have been advised that we will have a speech after the awards, so we will proceed with the other awards. And
we'll call the Egyptian minister also.
yeah. We will proceed with the e-governance initiatives of the year awards in this section. The G2G initiative of the year, e-office award for applying governance by Arogyasri Healthcare Trust. This is a Citizens Choice Award, and I will request Mr. Babu and his team to kindly come on the stage. And we are also having the Egyptian Deputy Minister who is here to kindly join us on the key officials who are here as the people who are giving away the awards. This is the e-office initiative. The Jury Choice Award in the G2G initiative of the year is School Report Cards under DISE program by University Educational Planning and Department of School Education and Literacy. DICE program. Kindly come on the stage for the School Report Card initiative. Governance initiative of the year, we have the Citizens Choice Award for Malaysia Government SMS Gateway, My SMS 15888 by Malaysian Administrative Modernization Management and Planning Unit, MAMPU, which is the nodal agency for implementing e-governance in Malaysia. Kindly come on the stage, the MAMPU representative. The Malaysian government has taken the M-governance initiative in a big way, and this SMS gateway provides a one-window gateway for many services by the Malaysian government. It's great to have them here. Give them a big hand. The Jury Choice Award in Governance Initiative of the Year is from All India Institute of Medical Sciences. They have implemented a project called Eliminating Queues in OPD by JPN Apex Trauma Center. May I request the AIMS representative to kindly come on the stage. AIMS is one of the most prestigious and the biggest hospitals in the country, and they have implemented this queue management system in OPDs on mobile platform. Welcome, sir. Please come on the stage. Give them a big hand. The special jury mention in Governance Initiative of the Year is to Grameen Phone Mobile Ticketing Services by Grameen Phone Limited, Dhaka, Bangladesh. May I request the Grameen Phone representative to kindly come on the stage? Are they around? We have a big team from Bangladesh. Can someone receive the award on their behalf? Bangladesh team? Yes, please come on the stage. Give them a big hand. The Grameen Phone Initiative, I think everyone in this hall is aware about. This is one of the biggest ICT inclusion initiatives happening and very famous. We have this award called ICT Enabled PSU of the Year, Public Sector Unit of the Year, and the eHuda project by Haryana Urban Development Authority, Citizens Choice Award. We have the senior officials from Huda here, and it's a pleasure to have eHuda being presented here. Financial Inclusion Initiative of the Year, the Citizens Choice Award goes to Mobile Banking by Spice Digital Limited. Give them a big hand. As we know that M-banking is no longer a dream. It's already happening, and it will grow in a much faster way than we can imagine. May I have the Jury Choice Award nominee here, the FINO Tatkal Initiative by Financial Information Network and Operations Limited, FINO. Kindly come on the stage. Give them a big hand. In the private sector initiative of the year, we have Citizens Choice Award for Sahakara Pragati by Co-options Technologies Limited. Can we have the Co-options team here? Under the G2C Initiative of the Year Award, we have Citizens Choice Award again for, just a second, I think I have that much, and that's why I was suggesting for a break. So under the Municipal ID section, we have the ICT Enabled Municipal Initiative of the Award, the Citizens Choice Award going to Monofoya Portal by Monofoya Governorate, Egypt. So may I request the representative from Egypt? I think one representative already on the stage, other I can see here. So may I request Sharif Tokali, who is the UNDP senior official in Egypt, to kindly receive this award on behalf of Monofoya Portal by Monofoya Governorate. And my special request to Shri S.R. Rao to kindly give away this award, since he has taken a lot of initiative in urban governance. Sir, Rao sir, kindly give away this award. The Jury Choice Award, Smart Parking at GHMC Parking Complex by CDAC Hyderabad and GHMC. May I request both the officials from CDAC and GHMC, the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, to kindly come on the stage and jointly receive this award. Kindly come on the stage. GHMC has been a pioneer in implementation of ICT, and it's great to have them here at India, which is happening in Hyderabad itself, so their presence is more valuable. Give them a big hand. Under the Municipal ID section, under the Private Sector Initiative of the Year, the Citizens' Choice Award, Municipal E-Governance Project by E-Governments Foundation has been chosen as a winner. May I request the E-Governments Foundation representative kindly come on the stage. Give a big hand. Kindly come on the stage. Under the Telecenter section, we have the Innovative Grassroots Telecenter Initiative of the Year, and the Citizens' Choice Award goes to Digital Local Language Content Competition by Nenasala, ICTC, UA, Sri Lanka. This is a great initiative happening in Sri Lanka, and we have representative Mr. Murali, who is himself a telecenter network champion, operator, and a grassroots telecenter activist, who is here all the way from Sri Lanka to receive the award. And we should look at encouraging innovators like him to be at the forefront of digital revolution, which can change the rural landscape. Thank you, Murali, for being here. The private sector initiative under the Telecenter section is Citizens' Choice Award is Telemedicine Initiative by Dr. Balabhai Nanavati Hospital, Mumbai. Kindly come on the stage, sir. They have very successfully integrated the private sector initiative in telemedicine and the concept of telecenters. We all talk about sustainability of telecenters, CSCs, and they are a rare example where they are introducing health services in telemedicine and in the rural telecenters. And a special jury mention